A SWOT analysis is a tool for documenting internal strengths and weaknesses in your business, as well as external opportunities and threats. You can use this information in your business planning to help achieve your goals. To work out if something is an internal or external factor, ask yourself if it would exist even if your business didn't. If it would, then it's an external factor. To get the most out of your SWOT analysis, you should have a question or objective in mind from the start. For example, you could use a SWOT analysis to help you decide if you should introduce a new product or service, or change your processes. Before you begin the SWOT analysis, you need to do some research to understand your business, industry and market. Get a range of perspectives by talking to your staff, business partners and clients. Also conduct some market research and find out about your competitors. Think about the possible external opportunities for your business. These are not the same as your internal strengths, and are not necessarily definite. An opportunity for one aspect of your business could be a threat to another. For example, you may consider introducing a new product to keep up with consumer trends, but your competitors may already have a similar product. Keep this in mind, but for the SWOT analysis, the same item shouldn't be listed as both an opportunity and a threat. A SWOT analysis is a tool for documenting